In front of me is Samsung Solid, and let me show you how to add mail account on this device. So at first you need to open menu, then go to email, tap on yes to confirm that you would like to add it, and now pick the account that you want to apply. In my case it's Google, and now provide your email address. In my case it's HardReset. Oops, not this key. And F is here. Info 1 at gmail.com. So this is our username. Then it's time to provide the password. So let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, you can also change the username if you want to. And then tap on next. So here you can pick the server, SMTP port, and so on. Just scroll down and use all the setup. And if you'd like to save it, just tap on save. And as you can see, that's it. You've just added your Google account. As I do not have Wi-Fi connection here, that's why it failed. But if only you have the network connection, it will be all working. So this is how you can add email account. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.